Hey guys, Linda is back and she has a huge amount of hair. We're a little bit in discussion about how short we're gonna go. Maybe we can make a little game out of it. We have a number 8 and a number 4, so it's almost half in length. I'm gonna switch them up. You're just gonna point one of your arms up. That's the length we're gonna do. Yeah. I can't juggle, but I'll try. Woo! Okay, yes. I'm not gonna tell you.
We'll see.
We'll see. Oh, do you want to see a magic trick?
Of course. Always.
Watch my hands. It's nothing, right?
No.
Subscribe. Now you have to. Let's prep the clipper. She has no clue which of these two it's gonna be. It's gonna be this one. There we go. Ooh.
Oh wow.
That's short. It was the number 4. What a difference.
Dat zou het zijn als iemand een chefstuk doet. Meer in een haak over geeft en dan vind je van.
Done. Let's leave it like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Maybe we can put some wax in it.
Oh wow.
That's short. It was the number 4.
woordjes blijven. Go.
That's it. What a cool change. Thank you for your trust and for playing this game. It's the shortest you've ever been, but you look incredible. This was a proper buzz cut. It's been a while since I did one, so I'm happy. I hope you are.
I'm very happy.
Nice. Let me know what you guys think of it down here in the comments somewhere. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's here as well. It was in our ear. I can do it again. Dad joke. Sorry. I hope to see you and who knows you in the next video.